go. First order of the day, we've got a Taco Bell. This is $9 going 6 miles.
Here's this, and then I got a large Baja Blast. All right, there is that for you. Have a great morning, okay?
You too. I actually had a bad feeling about this order because I could have sworn it got offered to me one time like 10 minutes before I accepted it. So when I got here, I thought there was going to be an issue of it being already picked up or it being closed or something. And we just got let online for DoorDash, doing earn by time. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour. First order is going to be Subway, going just under 2 miles.
What's up, buddy?
I just got a pickup for Dio.
Yeah, it's gonna be ready in like 15 minutes. I gotta clean. I can't do nothing until I'm finished with this.
Gotcha. That was like a 10 to 15 minute wait. They were still cleaning up the front end when I walked in, so they didn't even start the order until like 5 minutes after that. Total for that order was just under $9. And I got the next order as soon as I stopped recording. This is IHOP going 8 miles.
All the syrups in the books.
A little bit of a wait there. It wasn't as bad as Subway though. Good tip on that one. Total ended up being $12 and change. And we got the next order right away. Burgerville going just under 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $7. Not bad. It only took like 10 minutes. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that was $6, and it took us 6 minutes. So $1 a minute. I'd say that's pretty good. Just got the next order. This is Panera, $9 going 5.5 miles. Let's see, we've got, it's actually just 2 drinks. It's got a decent amount of food though. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be ready. Roberto.
Is this for Leanne?
I think so. I was here for a while.
Yeah, I was over there.
Oh, I don't know what to tell you.
I was here first.
I've been here for a long time.
How long have you been here?
At least 10 minutes more.
You know, I can just wait it over there. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't know if she was being serious, to be honest. I kind of believed her because Uber is kind of known for having a really terrible app, and it might have dispatched 2 people to pick up that order. But at the same time, I waited like 10 minutes, and I'm not going to be the one that gets screwed here. So, sorry. Or she could have just been lying and trying to get free food. Also a possibility. Next up, we've got an Angels. This one is going 3.5 miles.
What do you want? Yeah, just those 2.
Here you go. I like your chain, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Oh, there was more to it.
Oh. Hey, I'm sorry, my bad. There you go.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. Okay. pretty positive that the tip was more than the cost of food. So that is insanely generous. Thank you. Total for that order was $16. Next order up, we got a Burgerville, $7 going 3 miles. They just gave me an add-on for this Burgerville, $5 going an extra 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
This is on the top floor. I've been sitting around for like 20 minutes, but finally got the next order. This is Jack in the Box going 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that was $5. Not amazing. Looks like we got the next order. This is an alcohol pickup going 6 miles. Oh, they just gave me an add-on for Angels going an additional 2.5 miles. Yeah, I'll take that. Angels is like right there.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
I hope you get a smooth sailing.
Appreciate it.
Take
Thank
care.
you. Have a good one. Okay, good. All the alcohol's still in there.
Yeah, thank you. Wow. Mấy phòng chị?
Thank you. Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
You guys have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. Total for that was $14, and she handed me some cash. I don't even know how much it was. $5, $6, $7, $8. Nice. Thank you. Current time is 10:39. Total, we are at 104 with that cash tip. I thought I was doing a lot worse, to be honest. It felt like really slow for some reason. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.